Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you own the ASUS Zenwatch 3, you have to watch this video. Or if you know somebody who owns this watch, please send him or her the link for this video. Yes, a stand to hold your watch when you charge, in my opinion, is a must. So I got this from Artifacts Design on Amazon for about $20. And when you open the box, you see this little leaflet here. So they make stands for different watch brands, and also you can get different colors. As far as I know, for the ASUS Zenwatch 3, only black is available. And you can see here, it's a 3D printed stand. You can see the layers. They put nylon pads at the bottom so it doesn't move too much on your desk. Here, a felt pad, which is nice. So when you put the watch, the band doesn't scratch on this hard surface here. And generally speaking, this is well made. For $20, it's fine. And this way you don't have to put your watch on a solid desk sideways when you charge it. This is the charger that you get with the watch here. It's a magnet basically. So to install this inside or here at the top of the stand, you have to hold the cable here firmly in the slot here. This is necessary here so that you will go here all the way in the slot here in the right location over here. So you just push it in here, but you need a strong push. I was expecting like a tight fit where I would get like a click and the magnet would stay in place, but I don't know if this is my unit, but mine doesn't click in place. Even if I push super hard, it will stay, but it doesn't click in place. And then you run the cable in the opening on the side here, just like that. And again, you push hard so that it stays there. So there it is, right there. So you have your stand with the magnet. And then all you have to do is take your watch and then you just put it here, just like that. As simple as that. It's now firmly in place, as you can see. The only little problem I have with this design is the weight or the center of gravity. There's a lot of plastic here, with the watch even more weight over here, and at the bottom here you don't have a lot. It's very thin. So if you're not careful, when you put your watch in or if you remove your watch, this will basically tilt over on the side. So that's the only negative point I have about the stand. And because it doesn't hold firmly in place, take the habit of removing the watch from the left like that. So this way it won't tend to disconnect here, as you can see on the right side. Again, like I said, I'm not sure if this is just mine, but I was hoping that this would click a bit more in place. Like I said at the beginning, if you own an ASUS Zenwatch 3, this is highly recommended. Despite a couple of small drawbacks, this is well worth $20, and I strongly recommend this stand. So thank you everybody for watching. As always, if you have any questions, put them down below. I'll be happy to get back to you. Have a great day. Goodbye.